Hi guys, Exult here. Today I'm here with the $25 headphone from boAt, which is the boAt Rockerz 510 on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphone. So actually there are 4 color variants available in this headphone, namely red, blue, green and yellow. I ordered blue because this perfectly matches with that of the black and blue color scheme of the channel logo. So let us take a look into the features in it. So this box says that there is a microphone with volume control in this headphone, and you can play music wirelessly via your mobile or tablet, and you can make hands-free calls or attend or reject your calls, and it has soft ear cups for extended use, and this is fully compatible with Android, iOS and Windows as well, and it has built-in rechargeable batteries. So apart from Android, iOS and Windows, this supports all devices with Bluetooth. And the exciting thing is that you can do music playback up to 10 hours. So just for $25, you get a headphone with 10 hours of music playback, and the charging time is maximum of just 2 hours, and the standby time can last up to 180 hours according to this box. And this package contains an on-ear headphone, USB charging cable and an audio cable. So now let us open this box. Wow, I love this color a lot. So here is our boAt wireless headphone, and there are some wires here, and this is somewhat an advert strip. I think we don't need it. And this is a small user manual of this headphone. And this has a 1-year warranty. So this is the warranty card, and we can scan this QR code and go to this website to claim the warranty. Alright, so this contains the USB cable for charging purposes, but it does not contain adapter in it. So if you have a USB adapter or else a power bank or a laptop, you can connect to it to charge. And this also contains an aux cable for analog music purposes. For example, if your device don't support Bluetooth or don't have Bluetooth transmitter in it, then you can use this aux cable to directly insert it into your headphone and that of your device. So speaking about this headphone, I love this color a lot. And here is the USB port for charging. So this is a Type B, which matches with this pin. And we have certain buttons here. The button to control music, that is the previous track and the next track. And these 2 buttons are used for volume control. And here is a multi-purpose button, which you can use for power on and power off by press and holding for 3 seconds. And you can pass or play music and attend or reject your calls with this single multi-purpose button. But where is the microphone? Right, according to this manual, we don't have a separate microphone which comes near the mouth with a pipe in it. Here is the microphone. I think this is ergonomically placed because having a microphone like this, having a loop up to the mouth, can cause some distractions. It will be a disturbance. I think this is the best place to place the microphone on a headphone. And in order to use the aux cable, you can use the port here. That is to use the analog music control. This has a soft headband in it so that you can use it for hours and hours continuously, so that you will never lose comfort, and allow those soft ear loops here. And the ear fits perfectly into this hole. But will this fit my head? Oh, this is adjustable. That is great. So let me wear it out. Wow, the noise cancellation is perfect because my voice is being muffled up. I can't hear what I speak now. So let me remove it. But in this lockdown situation, in this COVID-19 situation, we are wearing masks, which is already taking place in our ears. So with this mask, let it be comfortable. Let me see. I don't feel any difference. I'm wearing this mask And about that, I'm wearing this headphone. It don't disturb the ear loops of the mask, and this is perfect. I love this comfort. So now let me play some music. First, let me switch on the device. So according to the user manual, you have to press and hold this multi-purpose button for 3 seconds to turn on. I can hear a small sound so that it will indicate that the device is on. So let me wear this one and play some music. So just we can connect it. So here it is, boAt Rockerz 510. So this is pairing up, but it takes some time to pair. Yeah, I get a sound that a device is connected. So this is a confirmation sound. And now let me play some music and experience it. This is great. And I can control the volume here in the sidewise. So instead of using my device to control, this volume button itself controls the volume of my device. Wow, the audio clarity is awesome. Okay. The noise cancellation is perfect. I love this, and the audio clarity is to the next level. I love this feature. I love this headphone a lot. Just a minute. So I think this headphone is worth for $25. This is awesome, and the voice and the music clarity are stunning. So connecting this device with another device via Bluetooth is made easy. But if you have a device that don't support Bluetooth, then this cable can help you. So just insert the cable in the headphone jack of the source device and find the aux pin in the headphone. Boom, that's all. So this will be easy for you to connect to devices that don't support Bluetooth. And let me check the difference between the Bluetooth and the analog music streaming. All right. All right, this is perfect. Actually, I don't feel any difference between the Bluetooth streaming and the analog music streaming. So the overall experience of using this boAt Rockerz 510 headphone is simply awesome. So if you want to get a headphone around $25, then I think you can consider buying this one. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. A sub to the channel will be massively appreciated. My name is Deepak and this is Exult Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned.